Hello everyone, this is Bernard. Welcome to this session on CATIA V5 tips and trick. Today we will be understanding how to optimize the specification tree while designing. Number 1, how to hide your specification tree. Number 2, how to reduce the size of a specification tree. Let's quickly get into CATIA V5 and understand how exactly it is done. What you see on the screen is the product. And for this particular product, you would like to ensure that I would like to hide your specification tree. You can see this is my specification tree, the first point. So use your function and press F3 so that you can hide it. And you want to bring back your specification tree, use function and F3. You can bring it back. So this is the first thing which you need to understand. Number 2, you would like to reduce or you want to increase the size of the specification tree. So just click on the compass at the bottom, what you can see over here. The moment you click on that one, you can see the grade input of your product or a part. So now if you zoom in or zoom out, you can reduce the size of the specification tree. So just keep it to your nearest visible view of the size of the specification tree, and then once again go and click on the compass so that it becomes bright. That means now it is active, right? This is, you can zoom in and zoom out, it gets. So this could happen because of certain factors. By mistake, if at all you are selecting this specification tree here, on this specification tree, there also the probability of getting activating. So the moment you see that the component is grayed, that means you need to understand that the current specification tree is active, and when you use zoom and zoom out, you can able to zoom only your specification tree. No need to worry, just go and click on the compass at the bottom, so you can just zoom it. Thanks for watching this tips and tricks on CATIA V5 from the Focus Path.